We can even go a complete 360 degrees and the footage will stay level. G'day folks, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the GoPro Max lens mod. This has been available for a couple weeks now on the GoPro website. It is a little hard to come by. They seem to be coming in and out of stock. It's like they're only getting small batches at a time. Now I know there's going to be many subscribers on my channel that already know what this is and already have one. So this is a video that you may want to go ahead and skip. In this video we're going to go over how to install it, what it's used for, and then we're going to do some side-by-side comparisons of a GoPro Hero 9 Black with the Max lens installed and without. We're even going to do some comparison footage against the GoPro Max because this is what this lens is supposed to replicate. Now we're going to start out with an unboxing to see what all comes inside the package. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So before we get too far in, let's take a look at the box here and we'll see what all comes inside the package when you purchase it. You can see here when the lens is installed, it's waterproof down to 16 feet or 5 meters. When this Max lens is installed, it gives you 155 degrees field of view. So let's go ahead here, we'll open it up and we'll see what all comes inside. Of course, I always take it out upside down. You can see here we have the lens mod and it comes in a nice little silicone case. So we'll take a look at that here in a minute. We have a tiny little cleaning cloth, and it's a good thing to have. You can never have too many of these. You always have to keep your lenses clean. You can see there it's also got the GoPro logo on it. And that is it. So before we get too far into this video, let's take a look at how to install the Max lens mod onto a Hero 9 Black. I really like that GoPro included this nice little silicone case for it. It's definitely going to keep it protected when in a camera bag or a case. So the first thing we're going to have to do is remove this protective lens from the Hero 9 Black. And sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to do the first time. Now, you don't have to worry. Taking this off is not going to ruin the waterproof capability of your GoPro. So to remove this lens, you can actually turn it and twist it either way, whatever works best for you. If you can't get it off one way, just try it the other. And sometimes I find if you pull it forward a bit, take this lens and pull it forward, it does make it a little bit easier to twist off. So you just want to get yourself a good grip on the protective lens cover, and you can either twist to the left or you can twist to the right, as you can see there, and then you just pull it right off. At this point, you're just going to want to pull this back part off, just like that there. And it's a good idea to leave this front rubber piece on. Just gives you a nice grip and it protects the lens, that way you don't get fingerprints all over it. You're just going to line up those slots. Put a little bit of pressure and then twist it until it locks into place. And again, it's really nice that GoPro did include this case with the set because it now acts as a nice lens cover when you're packing your camera. Now I've just powered on my GoPro and you can see it looks a little bit funny. You can actually see the outside of the lens in the screen. Now what we have to do is we have to turn on Max lens mode, and we do so by swiping down. And this icon over here at the bottom right hand side, that's how you turn it on. When we turn it on there, you can see we get a notification that the Max lens mode has been enabled. And there we go, we're ready to start filming. Now for some reason, if you don't see that icon there is a way to disable that in the settings. By default, it should be already turned on. But if not, all we have to do is swipe over, go to Preferences, go down to Mods, and you can see at the top it says Max Lens Mod, and it says Show. If you go into it, yours might be set to Hidden. So all you have to do is set it to show, and then that icon will appear. So if you're new to the Hero 9 Black, you might be wondering what this Max lens mod is and what it's used for. Well, it does a couple different things. The first thing it does, it gives you a much wider field of view so you can fit more of your environment in your shots. The other thing it does is it enables horizon leveling. Now it's different than the horizon leveling that's available on the Hero 9 Black. Now again, just a regular Hero 9 Black does come with horizon leveling, but you must be filming in a linear mode. Let's just go ahead here and we'll take a look at some footage of how horizon leveling works, both with the Max lens mod installed and just on a regular Hero 9 Black. So here we have the Hero 9 Black and we have horizon leveling enabled. And as you can see here, as I rotate the camera, the horizon will stay level. Now the only downfall to shooting in this mode is that we have to stay in a linear field of view. So that's not good for every situation. Also, when you start to turn it at extreme angles, then the horizon will start to shift. So as you can see here, when we turn the camera side to side, the horizon stays level. We can even go a complete 360 degrees and the footage will stay level. Let me just play that back for you now. We can even go a complete 360 degrees and the footage will stay level. But with the Max Lens mod, it gives you a full 360 degrees of leveling. So it doesn't matter what angle your camera's at, your horizon is always going to be level. Now you can turn off horizon leveling if you so wish by pressing that button right there. That still gives you that nice max SuperView if that's what you're after, but will allow the horizon to move a little bit. And depending on what you're filming, sometimes you want movement in the horizon and sometimes you don't. Now one thing I do want to mention here is when using Max SuperView on the GoPro Max, your field of view is still wider than when using the Max Lens mod on the Hero 9 Black. So if having the widest field of view is the most important thing to you, you're still best to go with the GoPro Max over the Hero 9 Black with the Max Lens mod. So let's just take a quick look at some field of view examples here. We're going to compare the Hero 9 Black without the Max Lens mod. Then we'll take a look at some footage with the Max Lens mod installed. And then we'll also compare it to the GoPro Max, and that way you can see the difference. So as you can see, the Max Lens mod does increase the field of view quite a bit, but of course the GoPro Max still gives you a much wider field of view. Now you can use this Max Lens mod in both video mode, photo mode, and even in time warp mode. Let's take a look at some photo examples here shot on the Hero 9 Black without the mod, one with the mod installed, and then one again on the GoPro Max. Now let's take a look at a few time warp clips, again shot on the Hero 9 Black without the mod, with the mod installed, and then again on the GoPro Max. So yeah, folks, that is the GoPro Max Lens mod. Hopefully this answered all your questions if you weren't quite sure what it is and what it's used for. Now, just a couple things I want to mention here before we go. First of all, the max recording resolution is 2.7K when using this lens mod, but that's still better than the GoPro Max. With it, you can only record at a maximum of 1080. So you can get higher resolutions with the Hero 9 Black when using the Max Lens mod. I also find that the quality of the footage looks a little bit better on the Hero 9 Black. When using the 360 degree lens, the edges of it I find are still a little soft. So that's something definitely to keep in mind as well. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.